Amuth augite bururi ndubatie kuna maitho wirite ati murimu wa COVID-19 ni uthirite, akiuga riu mururumo wa COVID-19 ya India uria uretwo Delta niguo uragumira bururi na uri na maruru maita meri gukira mirurumo ya nahau kabere.
The COVID situation in the country is still quite volatile, and we are reporting more cases, especially from the western belt of the country. Predominantly the Delta variant, which is of concern because this variant is more transmissible and probably also leads to a most serious illness of COVID-19.
Thirikari riu ikiuga itandana thibitari nyingi itaro-ini cia Nyanza na ithuiro ria bururi ni ihatikitwo ni wongerereku wa arwaru a COVID-19.
The variant is now predominantly the one that is driving this phase of the pandemic. There's a risk that the healthcare system in the western region is really getting stretched, and if it buckles, then we are likely to lose many people. Yet our destiny is in our hands by simply practicing these measures that can still stem the tide in the rise of the transmission of the cases.
Turi oguku gitaro-ini kia Nyanza, thirikari ya kaunti ya Kisumu ni hetwo rutha ni igoti ithike miri 69 iria ituire moshari-ini cia thibitari cia kaunti iyo itari yoyo ni andu a family. Miri 51 iri thibitari-ini munene wa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga na iyo ingi 15 iri thibitari-ini ingi cia kaunti iyo. Thegia ya miri 69 kuri na miri ingi 9 andu a family marethanwo nao. Riri thirikari ya kaunti iyo irigite kuruta watho ikiuga miri ndirigagwo makiria ma mathaa 48 thiini wa moshari kumana na murimu wa COVID-19. Maya marahanika riri bururi wandikithitie arwaru angi 456 na gukinyiria 176 137 namba ya arwaru othe aria mahonete ni 535 na gukinyiria namba ya aria othe mahonete kurugamira 120 898. Namba ya aria makuite ikiongerereka na andu 7. Riri aria mari thibitari ni 975 na aria mararigitirwo micii-ini ni 4,716. Riri njanjo ingi 350 itanyitwo gugakinya bururi-ini Jumaa kiumia giki. Andu milioni 1,138 748 nio mamukirite njanjo cia COVID-19 bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.